Here's some equator proposal trivia. Subscribe. Which famous natural feature follows the equatorial line? Is it A, Great Barrier Reef, B, Sahara Desert, C, Rocky Mountains, or D, Amazon rainforest? The correct answer is D, Amazon rainforest. What geographic feature is primarily located at the equator? Is it A, mountains, B, tundras, C, rainforests, or D, deserts? The correct answer is C, rainforests. Which climate type is common near the equator? Is it A, tropical climate, B, temperate climate, C, desert climate, or D, polar climate? The correct answer is A, tropical climate. What research organization studies equatorial biodiversity? Is it A, Biodiversity Studies Inc., B, Smithsonian Institution, C, Rainforest Alliance, or D, Ecosystem Services Group? The correct answer is B, Smithsonian Institution. Which climate phenomenon significantly affects equatorial regions? Is it A, tsunami, B, deforestation, C, polar vortex, or D, El Niño? The correct answer is D, El Niño. What type of biodiversity hotspot exists along the equator? Is it A, Arctic tundra, B, temperate forests, C, desert ecosystems, or D, coral reefs? The correct answer is D, coral reefs. Which two continents does the equator traverse? Is it A, Africa and South America, B, Asia, C, Europe, or D, Australia? The correct answer is A, Africa and South America. What is a significant threat to equatorial regions? Is it A, oil spills, B, deforestation, C, desertification, or D, overfishing? The correct answer is B, deforestation. Which bird species is often studied in equatorial research? Is it A, bald eagle, B, penguin, C, harpy eagle, or D, canary? The correct answer is C, harpy eagle. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.